Our menu for the day: Tinolang manok. Add all in a pan. Put the ginger cook for 2 minutes. Add the garlic sauté for 2 minutes. Next, put the onion cook for 2 minutes. You can put now the chicken meat. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Until it becomes tender. It's done when it comes like this. You can add now 4 cups of water. Add 1 piece of chicken cube for more meaty taste. Put 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. You can add now the papaya. Cook for 5 minutes more. Add now the green chili. Next, put the malunggay leaves. Cook for 3 minutes. Add the chili leaves. It's done and ready to eat. Please like, follow, share and subscribe for more cooking tutorial.